So this is the layout which we will be trying to do it in the Bootstrap. So this is our LinkedIn post page. So home page it will be. So post, everybody can post their update. So here if you try to see at the top, we are able to see the icons. Okay, these are the icons which are visible here, and this is they are showing some profile page and they are showing some more link, and here they are having post update link, and these are all list of all the posts. So this is the overall structure of this one. And if you try to maximize little bit when you go to the small screen, let's see what will happen. So this one has moved to here, another one has appeared, and this is the somewhat they have designed they have designed it. So the same thing had come to here. If I try to this one has moved up. So if I move it little bit, now another one has came into this one. Okay, so these two boxes came. We will try to design this box. This box we can leave it, so you understood, right? If I design one box, I will be able to understand it. This box I will design, this box we will be able to understand. So like this we'll try to design and we'll try to see how the layout. So going on, the layout is same only. So let's try to do it. So first our approach is from the mobile first approach, right? Let's try to do it. So I am creating here new file, something like linkedin.html, and I will create a new file also, linkedin.css. So let's try to maintain this one, and I am using HTML5. Okay, so this is the HTML5 I am creating, and let's import the Bootstrap. So already we have this Bootstrap, so I am importing this Bootstrap and the main.css. So here I am importing, and this one is linkedin.css. So whenever we are having some CSS or anything, if you want to write means we can write it here. So this is the first thing. Now what if you try to observe the page? At the background you are able to see some grayish color they have given. In that grayish color they are having the white boxes. So what I will try to do is, so here grayish color and all those things are there, right? So what I will try to do is I will try to apply here bg-light or something like that is there, right? In the Bootstrap. So I will use the bg-light. If you want, you can use another color also if you want exact thing. So first try to design the header. Header means nothing but this one, the top one. So I will design the header. So let's take the header. So if you try to see, so header is in the white color. So let's take it as a white color, bg-white. Okay, so this is all entire is in the white strap color, right? bg-white. Let's open this one in the live server. Is that one open? Let's try to minimize this one. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, right? Yeah. So we can have it like this. So here we are having a white strap. So I am taking the white strap here. And what I will try to do, so these all the things are containing. Okay, these are all the icons, these all the things are containing. Let's take it is in a container. So we'll try to see. Afterwards we'll try decrease it. If it is a container fluid means when you go to the desktop, we'll decrease it. So I will take a row. Hey, what is this one got? I will take a row and I will take something like so those all the things are there, right? So what I will try to do is I will if you go to the desktop version, oh sorry, if you go to the desktop version, this one, so these two are getting separated and these are all getting separated. So what I will try to do, so I will try to make these two things as a one case, and these are all the things as another case. Let's take it as an call hyphen 4. So I will take call hyphen 4 for the mobile version I am trying to take. We will have an image. So let's say that we have a div, and I will have an image img src is equal to, so I have already the image with me. So I will take this image and I will paste it. So this is our image. Let's see the output, how it will come, from where it got it. So let's try to apply the inline style. So you can apply the style for this one. So you can go to the, what is that one, in the LinkedIn CSS, and we can apply it, not a problem. So we got one image here, as this one is what I can say is, yeah, here you can be able to see it, right? So if you want, you can apply something like py-2, so that we can have some gap. Are you able to see the design? You are able to see it, right? So I have actually minimized this one. So previously I used to maximize like this, but I have made it to the actual size, to my monitor size, to have the clear vision of that one. So we are seeing this mobile version only. So this one we haven't zoomed it. So we need to add some, what I can say, some icons to this one. So icons means, what I can do is, you already know about that one. So we can have the font awesome. You can take from the font awesome. I am taking this one also from the CDN. Sorry, so I am copying this one. I will paste it at the top. So I have taken the font awesome also. So we'll be having some couple of font awesome icons. Let's say that I can have an em element, em class is equal to fa search. So this is font awesome. Where I can find is in the font awesome. If you go to the font awesome, so this is our website, font awesome website. So here at the top you will be able to see icons. In this icon you can search the icon. So I want a search icon, so that glass icon, magnified glass icon is there, right? So you can search for this icon. So here you will be able to see it, right, which are on the thick color. So here you will be able to see some of them will be in the gray color. So these are all free only. So here you will be able to see free version. So free version, we are having only these things only. Inside this one you can take whatever you want. So you can take it, this one, magnifying glass. So this is the CSS that you have given. So I can copy this one, and I can close this one, and I can use it, and I can use it that one directly. So I will close these all things. So here if I want, I can use this one directly. So then also it will work. If you try to see here, the magnifying glass is working. So you can take these all things also. Now if you try to see here, these both are not in the central line. So here these both are in the central line. So if you want, you can give a central line. How I can give is, these both are in the div, right? I can take class d-flex. So those are items. So I can say these are items-center. So these both are flex items, right? So items-center. So now these are in the center. Now what I want to do, I want to give some gap. So here I can use a class, and I can give me-3. So I got some gap. So this is one step we have did it. And another one is, so this is a call mod 4, right? So let's go to the another step. Those are nothing but home icons and all those things. I will take div class is equal to remaining, how many are left out of 12 grid? Only 4 is completed, so 8 are there. So I will take remaining 8. And in this one I will have how that one is looking. So home icon, it is looking like a home icon. Okay, so we will have some icon. So I will take one div. And if you want, you can have an href link also, so that you can have the link, right? And in this one I can add em class is equal to, so fa-solid. So I already know about this one, how to search. I have shown you, right? So fa-house, we can add it. So if you want, you can search for a home icon. So here you will be able to see the home icon. So if you want, you can also give class is equal to text hyphen secondary. So this will be converted into gray color icon. So if you want, you can also give fs-2, fs-3 like that, so that the font size also will be increased. So that depends. So how you want it, you can do it. So I am not bothering about that one. So this is one icon we have given. So if you want, you can also search for all the icons. What are the icons that are available in the font awesome, you can search it. But I will try to maintain 4 or 5 of the icons. So here I will try to maintain only like this. So now we are able to get these all the things in one like this, right? One by one you are able to get it, but we should not get it like that. Then what I can do, so these are all the divs actually we are having. One by one down is coming because of the block level. So I can wrap these all the things in one div. So I can do this one as class is equal to d-flex. So now these all will come side by side. Now what I want to do, so these all the things should be have a equal margin, equal gap between those all things. So you can also have a this dot 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 icon also. I'm not keeping. So here you can keep justify hyphen content hyphen between. So you can use the between thing. So we got the equal gaps between those things. So actually they are having so many icons, but I am keeping only the 1 2 3 4. They are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 icons they are having. So if you want, you can also keep another 7 icons, something like that. So now you are able to get it. So this is one concept. So we have did one concept. So now we have completed this this one at the top, the basic header design. So next iteration will commit. So at least we have did some basic iteration. And now let's go on to the next one. So this one, profile heading thing, right? Profile heading thing. Let's go on to the profile heading thing. Profile heading thing, what I will try to do is, again, header is completed. So let's go on to the container. I will take this one as a container again. So if you want, we can change the container to container fluid or anything. So if you don't like it. So first, what is this one? This is a profile header, right? I will take this one as one row. So this is one row. And here I will take first is a call 12. So this is our call 12. Let's say that is a profile header. I will take div dot profile header. I will keep some name as a profile header. The entire thing is in the color white. So let's apply the color white. bg-white. Now we got some basic thing. Now what we'll try to do. So here if you try to see, so we are not able to get anything. So first at the top you are able to see some background color, something has been applied. Okay, let's go. We'll apply some background color. They have applied some image or something like that, background image. So we don't have a background image. We'll try to take some, what I can say, background color. I can take some new class is equal to bg-secondary. So all will be using the Bootstrap classes. I will apply some py-4 to try to see here. So we are able to get one strap. And if you want, you can also apply some margin also, mt-3, so that it will come little bit down. Okay, we got it. So here we are having something here. So sorry. So we got some margin and we need to show some profile image, one profile image they are trying to show it. Okay, let's try to show one profile image also. So here I will add this one. And here I will add img src is equal to, so let's take this image, open image in new tab. Okay, so I'm pasting this image. Hey, yeah. So I'm pasting this image. Let's see the output. We are able to get this image. So I am keeping here. So we should not keep the inline style. So I am keeping just the inline style. Why? Because so instead of writing there, so I am writing it here. So we can write it in the linkedin.cs also. Afterwards, we'll shift it, all those things. For you, for the demo purpose, I am showing you. So radius, I am taking it as 50%. So it came center. So now I can apply here class is equal to text-center. So it came to the center. So let's keep this one also this side. Now let's try to apply, and another one is Leela Narasimha. So UI teamlet, something like that. We are able to get it. So I will apply div. These are also in the center only. So you can apply text-center, And what I can do, so I can take one div, I can take one strong, so I can copy Leela or something like this, and I can take another div, ingredient requirements or something like that. Let's see the output, how it will appear. So you are able to get it. So if you want, you can give the gapping also. So now what we need to do, we need to move little bit top to this one. Okay, little bit. Actually the image is so much big, we can decrease the image also. We can give some something around 80 pixel also, we can give it, so that it will be decreased. So that depends. So next iteration we can go one by one we can do it. So again, what I want to do, I want to place it little bit at the top. So you want, you can give here, not bg-secondary. So this is the thing, right? Text-center, this is the thing, right? This one only, image, yeah. Position hyphen relative, I can give position hyphen relative, and I will give style bottom of 30 pixels, something like that. I don't know whether it will move or not. Yeah, it has moved little bit top, right? So if you want, you can also move this one also little bit of top, or otherwise you can wrap it entire thing and move. We can wrap the entire thing, and also we can move it to the top. So if you want, you can also wrap it, this one all, one div, and instead of keeping each one text center, we can keep only for one thing. So it will move this side, right? So you can keep text center here, and these all things will come center. And if you want, you can give position hyphen relative, okay, and you can move this one entire thing to the bottom of 30 pixel. What is that I have given? Yeah, I don't know why my system is so slow all the time. It's not able to recognize. Yeah, so now this has been moved a little bit. So if you want, you can give the gap between these two, so that it will come little bit down. So this all depends. So we have did one phase also. So this one is also somewhat completed. So we have did it, and let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So what is that we will what is that we are moving? So this one, right? Let's design this one also. So this one also, let's design it. So here we are having, let's close this one, profile header and row call 12 also, it will close it. And we will have another one is, what is this one? Post thing, right? So that one is also one and the same only. So we are having another row. Let's take this one as another row. Okay, let's take this one as another row. Or otherwise what we'll try to take is, so instead of having this one all, so we have took this one as call 12, right? Inside this one also we can take it. So that's entirely depends. So call 12, so we can take this one as call 12. Another one. In this call 12, what I can do, so we are having a link something like text show more. I can apply this one here. Show more, and this should be text type class is equal to text type and center, and class will be bg-secondary. So we can give the caret down operator also. So I'm not giving here. So show more. So we have did this one also, and we have another one. If you want, inside this one also you can give it, or otherwise you can take another call 12 also. I will take it here only. So this is the post box. We need to define the post box. Okay, fine. So div class is equal to post box. I will have this one. So this entire thing is a bg color white. So let's give it as a bg color hyphen white, and we got the bg color white. Now what I want to do, so inside this one I want to give the image and all those things we need to give. So first we'll try to take the image and also this text box. So here I will try to take one row, call hyphen 12. So we have one image. What I can say, so here call hyphen not 12, so we'll take this one as call hyphen 2. So first we'll take call hyphen 2. First one is the image. So here I will be having an image src is equal to, sorry, img src is equal to, again the same image we need to copy. Where is that image gone? The profile header, it will be there. In this position relative, in somewhere it will be there. Yeah, I will copy this one and I will paste it here. Let's see, let's try to add these all the things. Now we got an image, and I will add one input box also. We need to have input box, right? So this is one call to, and remaining all is the call 10. So I can apply here call -10, and in this one I can apply input type is equal to text. We can apply the class is equal to form control. So we can do the design also for that one. So border radius, applying this one, curvy border radius, and all those things we can apply. So this is one thing is completed. And another thing what we will be having call 20, and this one is completed, and we need to take another row. Okay, in this row we are having photo, video, event, write article. Okay, let's take ahref is equal to photo, event, video, and write article. So these are the things we are having. Let's try to see the output, how it will appear. So this is how it is looking like. Okay, so first we'll try to design it. So here this is the image we are having, and where is that image? So in this one we are having, and this one we can make it as a responsive so that it can fit in the call module. So we have a class image-fluid so that it will be automatically fitted. So if you want, you can also make it border radius, these all things we can make it. So I can make style border radius. I didn't remember the actual class for that one. So 50%. Now here, so what we can do here, this call mod 12, sorry, call mod 2, we are having this one all center, right? So we can make this one as align-items-center. I will try to make align-items-center. Now this one is center with this one. I don't know what is this icon number. Okay. So now these both are in the center. Now these two things we need to arrange it. So one by one we need to arrange here. So if you want to arrange this one, how can we do? Can anybody tell me what we can do here? Nobody is replying. Yeah. So I have applied here to have to completely row, right? So we should not take only the row. So we need to take something like call-12. Okay. So we should not take it only the row. So if row is there means must and should, we should have a column. So I forgot to apply this one. Now in this one I can take flex. So in this flex I can apply. So now we got it one by one. So I want to make it equal distance. So I can take content hyphen between, not content hyphen between, arrow. So content hyphen arrow. Now these things came. So now if you want, you can also apply margin top and all those things also you can apply. If you want, I can do what I can say is my-2. I can apply my-3 or my-2 so that it will come little bit down, and we can design these all things. So we have designed this one also. So if you want, you can also add a gap. So these are having some gap, right? So you can also add this. This is what I can say, attach it to this one. So post box, where is this post box? This entire post box I can apply px-2. So now these things are having some gap. Actually the BG color, this one is BG light. I have used BG light. So if you use BG, what is that one? BG gray. I don't know color of this one. Not this one. Gray means this one. Okay, this itself is not existing, I think. Secondary. Now you are able to observe. So like this it should be actually. Backend they have applied some grayish color. So like this it should be actually. So that is the reason. So otherwise you will apply body color or anything. In the linkedin.css we can take background color, something like I don't know, you see, or otherwise B and B. Okay, let's leave it like this. I don't want to make it too much complex. So I want to show you the backend. So what I want is, so they are having some grayish background color. So that grayish background color, so because of that one I am trying to show you that one. So we have applied this one all. And if you want, you can also apply the gap between the top and bottom also. They are having some light margin. So here you also px-2 where we have did it. Post box. Here I can apply py-1. So you'll be having light gap at the top also. So this one is also completed. And next remaining is the articles. So how we need to post the articles. So that one also what we can do. Up to here it is completed. So let's try to minify this one all. So this is one row. So this is the entire row, and this is call 12, and this is one call 12. And if you want, you can also directly take this call 12 directly here, another call 12. What I will try to do here, so div class is equal to article. I will try to take one article. So the article only, right? That one all. Entire thing is an article. So you can take it however you want it. You can take it. So there is no need for us to use the call 12 or something like that. If you want, you can also use it. Not a problem. So I will take the bg-white. Okay. So bg-white. Inside this bg-white, first we need to, let's remove this one now. First I need to take this image and these all things. So first we need to design this one. So what I can do here, div class is equal to d-flex, and here I will write align-items-center, align-items-center. I can do it. And in this one I will take one image, img src is equal to, so I will take this the same image. Oh sorry, we don't have the image. Where is that profile guy? This image is there, right? We can take the same image and I will try to paste it. Okay, I will take the style as width 50 pixel, and the same thing, width 50 pixel. I can write it with 50 pixel, and the border radius as 50%. So let's try to design and we'll see it. So image we have did it, and afterwards what I need to do, so we need to add some content, right? So here I can add div. So we are able to see some name. So I can write div strong. I can take strong. I can write my name. So they are using some name, right? So I am using my name. And at the bottom we are able to see some 2 days ago or something like that. We are able to see it. So 1 minute ago or something like this. So if you want, you can also add a font size also. Class is equal to fs-3, and for this one it should be very small, right? So I can apply fs-6. fs-6. So what we are able to see it, let's see here. Yeah, we are able to get Leela Narasimha and these all things. Why? Because of the flex and all those things. If you want, you can also apply something like ms-3 so that we can have some gap. Yeah, we can get some gap. And also you can also keep for this article, entire article, my-2. Okay, so that it will come down. And what I want, okay, these are all in the containers because of that one, so they have got little bit of gap. Oh, if you want, you can also keep the entire thing in a call 12. You can get the gap also. If you don't want the gap, you can remove this call 12 and all those things, you can remove it. Yeah, we got the gap. So if you don't want the gap, means entire container you can remove it. So container you can remove it, you will get this one like this. Okay, so that depends. So just I have added the container, right? So I don't know, so how in the desktop it will behave. So going on, we need to change the modification. First we are trying to design this one. So we are having this one. If you want, where is our article? Yeah, I can also apply px-2. So these all the things should be consistent. Okay, so we are here, I am applying px-2 means this one also I need to apply px-2. So like this we need to be consistent. So that is the main reason why we will be using the Bootstrap classes. Those all things will be aligned in a particular way. Now what we have did here, we have did the basic thing, and now I want to show the article. So fine, so up to here we have completed, and this all the flex is also completed. Up to here it is completed. Now I want to show the image. So here I can have something like my-3, and where is that image, the basic image? I will take this image, open image in new tab. I will copy this image and I will try to show the same image here. img src is equal to, I will copy this image class is equal to img-fluid. So we have did the fluid thing. Let's see the output. So now at least we should able to see the output. Why this one is not coming? Yeah, so now we are able to see this one. So if you want, you can also apply for this one the styles and all those things also, or otherwise we can apply for the entire thing here. What I can see p-2 I'll try to apply so that we can have some gap. Okay, so this is our basic. So this is our basic thing. So if you want, you can write the text here also at the top. So just I am keeping a image, and now I can replicate this article. So this is the article, and I can replicate this article 2 or 3 times so that I can see these all the articles at the bottom. So these are all the articles, and this is a profile, and this is the header. Somewhat basic thing, one iteration we have completed. Now let's go on to the where is this one? So now we have completed this one, the coding part. We have completed the basic coding part. Now we need to do the responsive iterations. Let's try to see. So I am having this one. Let's go on to this one. I'm extending here. I want to see this one also, how it is behaving. So fine, it is behaving somewhat fine only. So it is having some gap because of our container we are having. So we can modify our container also, not a problem. So container is okay for us. So if you want to change the width of the container, we can write it in our linkedin.css. For the container, we can change it. So container should be, we can override this one. So max width should be 90% or something like this. We can override it. So that all depends. So this one will take the maximum width. So if I want to take it 100%, so they have given some max width, or see, the container is adjusting according to that one. So if you want, you can also override this container thing according to our needs. But I want to make I want to use the Bootstrap thing only. So if you want, you can adjust the container width also. So if you don't want to take the Bootstrap container. So now we have a container. Now we are able to see it. So let's try to extend some more. Okay, fine. Yeah, now this is the thing. So what is the thing here? Wow. Let's see the breakpoint. What is the breakpoint? We are able to get it. So 768 pixel. If you try to observe at the top, 774 pixel. So that means 768 pixel are greater than 768 pixel. So they are trying to show this one at the side. Okay, so that is the thing. So that means it is nothing but what I can say is MD, medium screen. I hope that it is a medium screen. So let's go on to this one. So where is our header? I don't want to touch this header. So this is a call 12. So this is our call 12. Okay, so this is our entire call. These are all the things. Now what they are trying to show is this one. They are trying to make it as MD-3. Okay, and this one they are trying to make it as what I can say, call hyphen so call hyphen MD hyphen what is on 3 and 9, right? So they are trying to make it as 9. So this one is also another column we are having. Okay, let's see how the output will come. So now we are having call hyphen MD hyphen 3. Let's see that whether we are able to see the output. Okay, we are able to see it at the side, but here, so what I can do is, so one thing what I can do is, so here I can have a call 12. Okay, I can wrap it inside. So something we have did it. Okay, let's leave it like that only. Div class is equal to row. So row, I can paste it at the bottom. And you can have these all call 12 and all those things. I will have this one as call MD-9. So I will take this one as the main thing. So this is all the thing. Now if I try to see, we are able to get the output. So this show more I think is not there. What is this one? Yeah, let's remove this one. Yeah, here we are able to see the same output. If I try to give it, come here, this is looking like this only. And if I come to here, so this one is going back. But the show more is not there, I am thinking. Yeah, show more is not there. We can hide the show more. So where is that show more? In this one somewhere, the show more is there. So this is one part of call 12, right? So we can show this MD-none. So from medium screen onwards, this should not be visible. So now let's try to see the output. If I try to see the output here, so now we are not able to see this one also. So if you want, you can also increase the top of this one. So what is this one is? So this is our profile header, right? py-4 we are showing, and here I can show something like mt-3. I don't know what is that one. Okay, we are already applying this mt-3 at the top. Let's see. Oh, sorry, not this one, right? So this one, yeah. So mt-2, we can apply mt-2. Okay, now we are able to see this one. So now here also, here is that start post gone. Okay, entire thing we are hiding it or what? So da-none. Okay, entire thing is in the start post only. Okay, let's find to hide it only the show more only. So here we need to hide it. Yeah, we are able to get this start post also. Now there is no need for us to apply the mt-2 also, because of that because of that hidden thing, we got that mismatch. So now these both are in the same order. See, because of this one we got some little bit we try to apply, but the logic how we have written, it should work actually. Now these are in the same manner, so somewhat we are able to see the same structure. This one is also we are able to see it. If you want, you can increase somewhat call mod 3 to call mod 4 or like that also you can do it. I will try to maintain like that only. I don't want to disturb it. So just you want to know the layout structure, how I am planning the layout structure. So this one here is having, now here we are able to get the full screen, and here somewhere in the medium screen he is trying to edit. So here is hiding, and now you can design this one also, so that it can appear at the bottom, where in the profile header you can appear it, and to show it only in the medium screen also you can do it. I am not doing this one. Now let's try to go little bit bigger. What is, so this one I need to see, right? Okay. Hey. Let's try to make it. Yeah, now here we got another new one has been appeared. My system is very slow, so after some time it is responding. I don't know. Yeah, what is the resolution of this one? In what resolution we got this LinkedIn news? Let's try to check it. Let's try to see. I think in the LG resolution 992 above, he has got this LinkedIn news appeared. Okay, so now we have, let's go on to this call mod 3, and this is a call mod 9 and large screen. So when this one I can design call LG only, right? LG let's say this one is also of 3, and this should not be visible, but when it should be visible is DG-block. So when we are approaching this one large screen, then it should be visible. So let's try to see it. So LinkedIn news, what I can say is, so we are trying to do the LinkedIn news. One second. Yeah. So LG-block I am trying to show. So now MD-block or LG-block, whatever, we'll try to see it afterwards. I will be having LinkedIn news, something LinkedIn news, we have seen it, right? Why I am giving these classes is so that we can have a reference, so that when we are trying to debug this one, okay, this part is LinkedIn news and all those things. So and also we can apply the class also. We have did only one iteration, right? I can have something like p-3, and I will try to do it. What is that output, how it is there? LinkedIn news. Okay, let's try to apply one div which is of strong LinkedIn news, it seems, and I will try to apply some title and description they have given. So class is equal to my-2. I will be having another div. I can take one strong. I will apply lorem ipsum or something like this. I don't want to take entire thing. I will take some title, and I can apply at the bottom top news or any something they have shown it. So just I want to keep it. So I will replicate some of the things. Okay, let's see the output, how it will appear. Where is our thing? Yeah, at the bottom I think it will be visible. Yeah, here. Somewhat I have designed this one, right? So let's try to apply. So now this one, it should be call-LG-3. Okay, so this one should be 3 only. So this one should be call-LG-6, and remaining this one has to occupy. Let's see how it will appear. Yeah, so this is how we need to get it. Maybe the combination, however, so here they have given only something around this one they have given only call lg-2 only, so half part only they have given, and for this one they have given more. I'm thinking so maybe 6 7 8 4 12. So like this they have given more part to this one and least part to this one, right? So like this somewhat they have given like this only, but we need to decrease this size and all those things also, we need to decrease it. So like this they have given. So this is how we are approached. At the top they have given this what I can say, search box. So this icon has been converted into the search box. If you want, you can also convert that one. Where is that one? So in our header, right? In our header and in the call 8 somewhere we are having this one, right? So here you can use input type is equal to text, you can use it, and this one should be, I don't know, so this one should be like this, it should be. So from large onwards it should not be there, and this one all the time should be none, it should not be visible, but it should be visible from block onwards. So that means from large screen onwards. If I try to see the output, this search box came here, so somewhere, okay, sorry, I have kept for some icon. I think at the top, this first one, I think this one, yeah, for this one I need to keep. Okay, and this one should be lg-none. Most probably, I think hope it will work. Yeah, we got the search icon, so we can design this search icon. So that is how we are having. So we can increase the search box and all those things also, we can increase it. And now if I go on increase this one, hey, so if I go on increase this one, it will happen. So now we can decrease this what I can say, we can decrease this one also. So I can say that this should be something around call lg-2, it should take something like that, I don't know. So xl-2 it should take, and this one should, or otherwise I can say that 6, and this one should take call xl-6 also, I can write it. Let's see. So like this we can maintain it, so that those are appearing at the end, and these are also appearing at the end. And now if I try to make it bigger, yeah, so this is the how we are able to see it. And if we try to see this one also, so this one also we are able to see the same thing. Somewhat we have achieved the responsive thing. So now next on going on, we can apply the each component, we can take it, and each component we can apply these all the CSS thing and all those things we can apply. So using the Bootstrap, so what we have achieved. So now if I go on decreasing this one, so this one should go away. I think it won't go away, I think. Up to here it is there. Here also it is there. Okay. If I go a little bit, yeah, it one has disappeared, and here also it has been disappeared. For this one also it has been disappeared. And now if I go here, going on, this one has came top, and this one is also appeared. So now if I try to go here also, this one has same thing has appeared here also. So now here if I go like this, so we are able to achieve the same thing. Okay, so this is how we can design the layout without writing the CSS. Okay, so some CSS we have written it for the profile image and all those things. So now without writing the responsive thing and all those things, layout breakups, now we have achieved the responsive layout. So almost 90% we have achieved the responsive layout. So this is how we need to plan it according to that one, using the maximum utilization of the Bootstrap classes. So we need to plan. First of all, you need to understand the layout structure, how it is there, and we need to check one by one, and we need to planningly according to that one, we need to adjust it. So when I started from mobile to desktop approach, so for me it got it very easily to achieve it. Or otherwise, if I start from desktop to mobile, so maybe I can find it so much of difficult. But using the Bootstrap we can do it. So either way we can do it. From desktop to mobile also we can do it. From mobile to desktop also we can do it. Not a problem, because we are making use of the classes. So this is how we will be designing the layout design in the Bootstrap without writing the CSS. So using the minimum CSS, our own CSS, we will be writing this one.